Are you really good at your job but a little less confident when it comes to public speaking or making a business presentation? Well, if so, you're not alone. Hi, I'm Paul Barton from Phoenix Public Speaking, and many of our clients come to us because they don't want public speaking to hold them back in their careers any longer. They want to speak with confidence. They want to develop an executive presence. They want to be able to command a room anywhere, anytime. If any of this sounds like you, then I want to invite you to a free 30-minute speaking success strategy session. In the session, we'll add some clarity around exactly what your public speaking goals are. We'll talk about what's holding you back now, and we'll outline a 4-step blueprint so that you can become the speaker you've always wanted to be. You know, I have more than 20 years of experience working for 6 large corporations, and I know exactly what it takes to put together a great business presentation. I've helped hundreds of people achieve their public speaking goals, and I know I can help you too. Are you ready to take action? Are you ready to start making presentations that turn heads, win hearts, and get results? Then let's talk. Book your session now. Hey, you're going places. Let us help you get to the top.